So here we have the Volkswagen Golf on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off in the boot area first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 60/40 split folding rear seat, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. On the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the centre, you can see the total miles of the car. They are 38,348. We have a digital readout for the speedometer above that. You can change that information using buttons on the steering wheel. For various bits of driver data, we've also got other menus available, which you can see there. Back around to the beginning again. All accessed via these buttons over here. We have our stereo controls, which continue on the left-hand side, along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button. This car has got the ability to be able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front. Over into the central display area. We're on the main menu at the moment, so it's all touchscreen. For example, the radio, DAB, FM and AM radio. Again, you can go to the menu, or you can use the menu options down the left and right hand sides. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do so in these ways you see on the screen now, and they include Bluetooth audio. So once you paired up your phone, you can make and receive phone calls and stream your music wirelessly as well. Speaking of phones, we've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available. You can make the usual adjustments to your bass, mid, treble, balance and fader from here as well. Below that, you'll find the air conditioning, where you can adjust the fan speed in the middle here, temperature over on the left hand side, the direction you'd like the air distributed in. Air conditioning is on right now, so that's off, back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you set there. We can open this up. We have some storage inside here, USB and auxiliary input as well. Your 6-speed manual gearbox. We can turn our parking sensors on and off. We can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. The system is off when that light shows. You can also change the driving setup of the car from eco, normal, sport or individual. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, a 12-volt charging socket and 2 cup holders as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you.